It's definitely a new normal that we're seeing out there.
Every piece of equipment the paramedics use gets special attention because every call they go on comes with special risk.
They're donning their PPEs, they're going in not knowing if that person does have COVID-19. So it's a bit stressful right now, but the crews, they're doing an incredible job going in, taking care of these patients and getting them to the hospital.
They're the tip of the medical spear. EMTs are often the true first responders to this pandemic, and that can take a mental and emotional toll.
Regardless if there's a pandemic or not, we just want to be here for everybody. It's really, right now with all this stuff going on, we are very anxious, we're worked up, we're scared. We could be going to somebody who's walking through the store, falls and trips, and we don't know if they have COVID-19 or not.
Do you think that removing dust and stains is the end of cleaning? A welfare center for the handicapped provides a variety of supportive mobile devices for physically handicapped persons. As those supportive devices are exposed and shared by many, the handicapped are vulnerable to their immune system. Thorough hygiene management is the key. Nothing to be worried about using Optima Steamer. High temperature and pressurized steam can penetrate deep into hard-to-reach nooks and crannies and clean and sanitize harmful bacteria completely.
이제 휠체어나 이런 거에 앉아 있으시는 분들은 앉아 있는 시간이 굉장히 많아요. 그렇다 보면은 그분들 중에서 좀 소변 조절이 안 되시는 분들도 있고, 이제 턱 관절에 힘이 없어서 침을 많이 흘리시는 분들도 있고. 근데 이런 것들이 기구에 계속 쌓이다 보면은 이게 인체적으로 좀 세균 번식이라든가 이런 쪽으로 안 좋은 영향을 끼치기도 하거든요. 그런 부분을 막아주기 위해서도 소독 세척을 하고 있습니다.